A very good morning, students. So, today we are going to deal with a new chapter. This is your last chapter of Geography Part 2nd book. And here we'll discuss the new topic is Geographical Perspective on Selected Issues and Problems. So, here we will discuss students study about the geographical perspective से जो है हम इसे study करेंगे on the selected some pollutions are there. We'll discuss about this, and it starts from environmental pollution about it, and then urban waste disposal, uh, and then we study about the slum problems, and then land degradation. So students, it starts from the pollution. What is pollution, right? So students, as you all know, this topic we have you all have studied in the previous class. From the junior classes you have studied this topic. So it is the unwanted matter and energy in the environment which harms to the man, right? Which harms to the man, our environment. So here students, the meaning of pollution is this: it harms people, environment. Now the mainly we can say pollution means contamination, right? Unwanted disposed in like water. कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म सब्सटेंस जब किसी चीज़ में मिल जाते हैं, चाहे वो एयर में हो या वाटर में हो, ठीक है, या फिर लैंड में हो, सो वी कैन से इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ pollution, right? So first of all, here we'll discuss there are some pollution like air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. So firstly we'll discuss about the water pollution. So what is the meaning of it? So students, in every topic, like rather it is water pollution, air pollution, we'll discuss first of all the meaning of, okay, and then we'll discuss reason, and then what are the solution and what are the problems regarding these pollution, right? Which type of problems can be occur. So if we talk about the water pollution, students, so water pollution, like we can see the unwanted disposed in water, right? कुछ ऑर्गेनिज्म या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कोई भी सब्सटेंस का जब वाटर में डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, का डिज़ोल्व हो जाना, वाटर कैन नॉट बी एबल टू ड्रिंक. Okay, so we cannot have water, such type of water which have dissolved organism or substance, unwanted substances, right? तब हम उसे क्या कह सकते हैं? Water pollution. Now it can be in through by two way we can say. There are two sources to be the water can be polluted, like one is natural and another one is human made pollution, right? Like human made pollution बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से होते हैं. इसके जो causes हैं, like cultural rituals का होना, ठीक है, कोई कोई क्या करते हैं गांव में एनिमल्स को नहलाते हैं, ठीक है, केमिकल्स का फैक्ट्री से केमिकल्स का निकल करके आना, डस्ट का जो है वो वाटर में मिक्स हो जाना, फर्टिलाइजर्स कैन बी, राइट? सो थ्रू दिस वाटर can be polluted, right? And here I have mentioned, student, the water pollutants are also created from natural source and human erosion, landslide, decay and decomposition of plants and animals, etc. And pollutants from human activities are the real cause of concern, like human beings pollute the water through industries, agricultural, cultural activities. So among these activities, industry is the most significant contributor, right? And there are some problems, students, through the water. We can say if water is polluted, if we drink polluted water, so many more diseases also can be occur, like diarrhea हो सकता है, टाइफाइड हो सकता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द डिजीजेस रिलेटेड टू स्टमक. So people can face, okay, people usually face these type of problem. And then we can say most of the industrial waste are also can be disposed of in running water or lake. Consequently, poisonous elements, right? Hot waters, chemical mixed water, they release in the river through the drainage, so which destroy the biosystem of these waters. So major water polluting industries are leather, pulp and paper, textile and chemicals, which are very dangerous for human beings, even for the animals, right? Now students, next is there is a table. You have to study this table. Here you can see everything I mentioned, like pollution's type: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. And in the another box you can see there are some sources of pollution, like pollution involved through which some of the substance, some of the chemicals are there. And next last table is sources of pollutions and combustion of coal, petrol, diesel. And then you can see in water pollution can we say sewage disposal. Okay, जितने भी घर से निकल करके नालियाँ बन के ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, ड्रेनेज जो बन करके आते हैं, गंदा वेस्ट जो निकल करके आता है किचन से, वो सारा जो टॉक्सिक एफ्लुएंट्स है, वो सारा जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ का हो चाहे वो घर का हो, वो सारी चीज़ें वाटर में जाके मिक्स हो जाती हैं, right? So this is the table which is important. You can study it, students. Then next is the air pollution. So air pollution is taken as addition of contaminants like dust, fumes, gas, fog, odor, smoke. Many more industries are there in our city. So from the cities we can see some very harmful smoke or gases released from there. So through this air can be polluted. So with increasing use of varieties of fuels as a source of energy, there is a marked increase in emission of toxic gases so into the atmosphere, right? Through this mining industries are the important thing, is important main cause. We can say the industries are very important. Through the industries releasing toxic gases, these are mainly responsible for air pollution, right? Okay, so after that, when we were study about the water pollution, there is a program, students, Namami Gange program. This is regarding the to conserve, to save Ganga river from these all garbages, we can say. The people polluting water through many sources, we can say, to conserve from these problems. It is the main objective is of this program, like developing sewerage treatment system in towns, monitoring of industrial effluents, development of riverfront, afforestation along the bank of increased biodiversity, so cleaning of the river surfaces. These are the main objectives of this. How can we keep clean the river, Ganga river, right? Now next is the noise pollution. So noise pollution refers to the state of urban unbearable and uncomfortable to human beings, which is caused by noise from different sources, like many more vehicles are running in the road. Okay, many more transportation system. Through the transportation system, even in the factories and machines, when it works in factories, the noise continuously comes from the factories and industries, so it also can be a noise pollution, right? So, and it has mentioned there may be added periodical polluting noise from sirens, loudspeaker used in various festivals and programs and marriages and all. So through this can be occur kind of noise pollution, right? So you can see traffic, biggest nonsense is the noise produced by traffic. In sea traffic, the noise pollution is confined to the harbor due to loading and unloading activities being carried. So this is a kind of noise pollution can be polluted, right? Okay, so students, these are the basic things which you are studying from the junior classes, but here is the main thing is especially there is a case study of Dharavi, Asia's largest slum, and we will study this in the next video. But before this, we'll study about the urban waste disposal, right? So urban waste disposal, why we took only the urban waste? Because most of the wastage we can see released from the urban areas, right? So अर्बन वेस्ट डिस्पोजल जो सिटी से जो निकल करके आते हैं, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द टू टाइप्स लाइक ओवर क्राउडिंग, कंजेस्टेशन एंड inadequate facilities, poor sanitary conditions, significantly quantity, because population we can see, maximum, maximum, in the maximum way we can see population are more than rural areas, right? And significantly quantity of solid waste pieces of metals like polythene bags. So if populations are high, so obviously wastage भी बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, ठीक है. So according to this, there are some sources of urban waste, like how disposed in household establishment, and these type of garbages are thrown in public lands, private contractors sites. Second is industrial establishment. It is these type of garbage is thrown in low lying public grounds, right? The next video will discuss about the effects of solid waste. Okay, there are some problems regarding this, so we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.